Hello everyone, welcome once again in Cool IT Help. This is Selenium tutorial for beginners part 3. In this tutorial session, we are going to learn how to find element on a web page with the help of Selenium methods. We have these two useful methods. First one is findElement and the second one is findElements. If you are going to find a single element, then you can use this method. And if you are sure that you going to find a single element, there is no probability that you will get multiple elements, so you can pick this method, and this method will return WebElement object. If it doesn't find any element, this will return you an exception, so you have to handle the exception. Okay, now the second method is findElements, and this method will return you WebElements list. If any match not found, then this will return you an empty list. So you can place a check. If list is empty, then you don't have any element on the web page. Now with the combination of these two methods, we have to apply many ways to find the elements on a web page. So we are going to look these ways in detail in this session. I have listed down the ways. There are 8 ways, but I will explain 6 in this tutorial session, and I will cover 2 more ways in upcoming tutorial session because those 2 ways are very lengthy and I have to explain little bit more than these. Okay, now first we will look about the by.ID. So basically on any web page we have the sets of tags or a combination of tag, and these tags have the attributes. So basically we are searching the elements with the help of these attributes. So one of the attribute is ID, and by class is providing the way you can find the element with the help of ID, name, class name, tag name, link text, partial text. So first one we are looking the ID. So syntax is very similar as you have seen in the first tutorial. Driver.findElement, then we have to use by.id and we have to give the ID of that element. So let me take you inside the Eclipse first. Okay, so I have just opened a web page of my website. Now I will show you the example. Suppose I want to find out this text field. So what I will do right click and I will click on this arrow and just focus on this text field. So you will get the tag of this text field. Now you can have the ID at this place. So just copy the ID from this place and come back here and pass the ID as argument in this method. Okay, now this syntax is complete. So you can get the web element or you can find out that text field with the help of by.id method. Okay, so you can hold this because findElement will return you the object of a web element type. So I am creating a reference variable of WebElement to hold this object. Okay, that's it. Syntax is complete. Now we will see the next one, by.name. Name is again any attribute of the tag. So we can do the same thing for the name as well. This is our second way. Okay, so syntax will be same. So I'm not creating the reference variable for this one. I'm just explaining because every time you have to hold this or you can directly call the methods. It depends on your choice or whatever the situation you have. So by.name, let me take you here on the website. So suppose I want to search this text field. I want to search this text field. So whatever, the same thing I have to do. So I got this input box and the name is email. So I will copy the name attribute value from this place and I will come back and I will pass this here as a string. Now this will find out that email text field. Now we will move to the next one, by class name. We can also find the element with the help of class attribute. This is simple. Syntax is similar. Only thing, the calling method of by class and by.class name, and taking you back here in this web page. Now looking for the another element. So suppose I want to find out this search button. Okay, and let me search this button. Okay, I got this. This is the input class, and this button is created with the help of this class. So I got the right class. So just copy this class name from this place and come back here in the Eclipse, and I have just passed that class name right here. The syntax is complete now, and this will return you the search button. Okay, you can use the class name as well. Okay, now we have two more things like tag name. Okay, so you can find or search the element with the help of tag name as well. Let me take you here in this web element. So I am looking for the different element. Okay, we got this. So here's the message box. So we are looking for the tag. Okay, this tag is little bit different. This is text area. So I will copy the tag name from this place and I will come back here. Okay, I will use the same syntax. As per situation, we have to use these different kind of ways to find the elements. That's why I'm telling you and showing you everything in detail. And now you can pass the tag name. So you will get the element text area on web page with the help of this tag name. Okay, now we have link text and partial text. As you can understand easily, link text means if we want to find out any link on the web page, so we can use the link text, and this link is short, then we can use it. Suppose we have this link and this is the link text available. So I will copy this link text from here and I will write the syntax for this one. So just change the method. Now link text and passing the link text here. Okay, now so in this way we can find that link easily. We have one more additional method for our help. If in some cases you have a very lengthy link on your page and you want to find out and you want to select this particular portion of this link, so you can use the partial link text method. Okay, so I'm showing you how to do it. Simple. Copy the whole link text and now you can use this way. By partial link text. Okay, and now I want to use only these words. Okay, so I will use partial link text because this is not the complete link text, but I'm assuming this can differentiate this text from the other links. So this will return me the exact link or element that I am looking for. So guys, these are the basic ways to find the elements on a web page in Selenium WebDriver, and I will explain a lot more thing in my next tutorial session. I hope to see you there. If you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful, please like this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And guys, for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.